Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to search for filters on Instagram. So if there's a specific filter that you want to search for on Instagram, but you don't know how to search for filters, I'll show you guys exactly how to search for filters in this video today. So it's really simple to be able to search for filters, but first you want to make sure that your Instagram app is all the way updated. Now once you do that, you can head over to the Instagram app, and to actually search for filters, you want to click on the create option in the middle of the bottom of your screen. And here you want to click on the story option at the bottom of the screen to switch it to a create a story mode. So just click on story at the bottom of the screen, and once you do that, this will show up here. Now once you switch to story, you're going to want to scroll all the way. You can see a couple filters here, but you want to scroll all the way to the right of them. If you scroll all the way to the right, you'll find the search icon right here. Now once you do that, you're just going to want to click on that search icon, and it'll show all these options here. Now, as you can see, if you click on that option, you're going to see a ton of filters. But if you scroll all the way to the left on this bar at the top of all the filters, then there will actually be a little search icon there. Now, if you click on that search icon, a search bar will show up. Now, let me do that one more time so you get it. You scroll all the way to the right of all the filters, and then the search icon will show up here. You click on that, and then you scroll to the left on that little bar, scrolly bar at the top of all the filters, and there's a search icon. Just click on it, and then you can search for whatever filter you want. Now once you search for the filter that you want to click on this filter, and then you want to bookmark it in the top left of all of the filters, and then you'll be able to use it on whatever you want. So that is how you search for filters on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.